What's up, YouTube? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've been having a great day, because I have. Today has been amazing, and we're going to look right into it. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button so we can keep growing the channel, keep growing in the searches, show everybody what we're doing, and just show everybody what TruLife Investing is about. Whenever you ain't got lots of money, you got to start somewhere, and that's what we're doing. We're starting from scratch, from zero, and we're going to grow this account, post each and every single day trade, and we're going to show you how we're going to grow it to the goals that we have, and show you that it can be done with hard work and discipline and consistency. So let's get right into it. So before we get into this, today the Dow Jones went down 710 points. That's pretty bad, especially in one day. We're going to look at the S&P. S&P went down 80 points, almost 81 points. That's really bad. And you know what? Even the NASDAQ went down 351 points. And you're thinking, well, Joel, why did you have such a great day? I'm glad you asked. Because we're going to look at my account. We're going to see that today we went huge. We went crazy. And we actually went 146.27% in the green. And that has just blown my mind today. And you're thinking, well, how can the stock market go down, but your account went up today? And as you can see here, we started off the day at $92.94, and we ended up the day with $228. Guys, this is what the stock market is about. If you look at the trends, if you can see what's going on and you can plan out, you can make some great money. Now, I know that if we look at the 3-month, well, we'll just look at the month. I have put literally, we've been tracking this every single week. $25 into the account, and we've had $215 that we've put of our own money in. And we grew, then took a dive, and then tanked all the way to $92. But today we brought it back up. And how did we do that? We did it with option trading. Now, this is the thing. I'm new to investing. This is new to me. Everything that I'm bringing to you, I'm being very transparent. I've never done this before. And when it came to day trading stocks, penny stocks, there was so much volatility in trading those that it was becoming hard to predict, because they could go up, they could go down. And compared to larger stocks, where they're trading at $100 per share, $75 per share, $200 per share, there's more history, there's more consistency with how it's running or how it's going, and so you can make better judgments on what you're doing. And so what I'm actually going to show you today is how I made $135.94 today, and grew my account by over 146% with trading options. So we're going to go to my account. Like I said, I'm going to pull this down here. I'm being fully transparent. I'm going to show you everything I did. Go to my history. Today we sold a put. And if you don't know what a put is where you buy a contract with someone, and you're betting that the stock is going to go down, and you pay a premium for that contract, and you're given a certain time frame, whether it be a week from now, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month. But you're saying basically, by buying a put option, that I believe the stock is going to go down to X amount of dollars within this time frame, and if it does that, then you owe me money. But if it doesn't, with the put option, you only lose the amount of money that you put in there. So say that I put in $55 for the premium for a put, then I would lose that total $55 if that stock never went down like it was supposed to. But if it goes down and it keeps going down, then I can continue to make more and more money. So I'm actually going to show you right here what happened. So I paid $110 for this put with Square. And when it comes to Square, when I was looking at how it was selling, when I was looking at its trends, and I'm actually going to go to it real quick, I started to notice, we're going to look about a month out because it's easier to see, that every time it does essentially a parabola, it comes down. And then it'll grow at the same time of consolidating. It's not these super huge spikes, but it's going to do a parabola and it's going to come down. Consolidate, it went down more right here, but it shot up, came down. So right here is where we bought the put. And we bet that whenever it was at $103, that it was going to shoot down to 99. And to me, because of its history, it consolidated. Now look at this. We bought this essentially on the 22nd. Today is the 24th. So it's been a couple of days. It's been consolidating. You can see here that it's growing just like it is here, going upwards, but it's consolidating. And then today, with the news and everything that happened, it shot down. And that's whenever we made our money. And so we're able to make some pretty good gains on that one. We're going to go to the other put that I had. Now, I didn't make as much on this one as I did on the square put, but I still made money. Making money is making money. Whether it's $1, $100, $5, if you're getting gains, you're getting gains. And so we bought this put at whenever this stock, which is Carnival, and I'm actually going to put that up, Carnival stock, we bought it at, whenever it was trading right around so it was within here, right around $17. And so I said, the way it's looking, the news, the cruise lines have said because of the pandemic that they're not gonna be doing any cruises. They're gonna hold off to like September 15th or September 21st. And so to me, if you got stock in there, why would you want to keep it in there? It's gonna go down. And so we waited a couple days, and what did it do today? It went down. Started off up here, $17, and then when it got down to around $16, 20 some cents, I sold off. I could have made more money because it went even lower, but don't get greedy. When you get greedy, that's when you lose even more. If you're making great gains, get those gains, grow your account, and then you can move forward. So I went ahead, I realized my gains, and I was able to move forward. And so now that we're hearing that, things are spiking with the pandemic, that, people, they're essentially getting afraid to get back out there in the world because of what's going on. You got to think, well, what happened whenever it all started? There was one company that sells home equipment for exercising. And what has that company done over the past 3 months? It's gone up by $31. And with all this bad news happening again, where can it go but up? So I bought a call option on Peloton Interactive. And what a call option is I'm betting, and I made a contract with somebody and I said, hey, I'm gonna pay you a premium, and I'm betting that this stock is gonna go up. And if it hits a certain threshold, then I'm gonna get the money that I paid you, and then you're gonna owe me money. But if it never hits that threshold, if it never gets to the point where we agreed upon, then I just lose whatever I paid for this option. And I'll go ahead and show you what I paid for it. So we'll go to my history, we'll go to Peloton. This was a $70, this is for a $70 call. I paid $26. So I'm betting that by June 20, that the expiration date is, it's 7/2, so it's July 2nd, that this Peloton Interactive stock is gonna go either close to it or it's gonna go near $70. Right now it's at $55, and it's just continuing to grow. So I've got a little bit over a week for it to grow, but this is the thing, with options, they don't have to get to the actual strike calls, whatever it is right here, for you to make money. So there's a lot that goes into it. I'm actually going to do a video on it, but it's super complex on how they work. But pretty much you're betting that the stock's going to go up. You buy a contract. I bought this one for $26, and I'm betting that the stock's going to go up in a week and a half. And so, like I said, it doesn't have to go up all the way, but if it gets close, I'm going to get some gains. So that's what we're looking at right now. As you can see, this is transparency. Today we had over 146%. So I mean, there is definitely money to be made. Not going to be trading any penny stocks. I'm going to be doing just pure options moving forward with this channel. And so if you want to get into trading options, I'm going to be explaining more about it and be giving you all the tips and tricks that I learned with trading options. And remember, if you want to open up a RobinHood account, my link is down in the description. You want to hit that link, it'll take you straight to RobinHood. You'll get a free stock when you open up an account. Or if you want to trade with Webull, which I'm going to be showing that account later, with Webull, it's this, the link's in the description, and then if you open up an account and make a deposit, you'll get 2 free stocks. And so there's you're winning both ways. But we're going to be showing primarily with the TruLife Investing with RobinHood primarily, and then we're going to bring in some Webull every now and again. So this is transparency. You're seeing it here. I'm growing the account. Can't wait to see what this does tomorrow. You're seeing right here, the stock market went down 700 points for the Dow Jones, 80 for the S&P index, 351 for the New York stock, for the NASDAQ. Yet we still made money. So you can see right here, even when the stock market is going down, you can be going up. You could be getting those gains. You could be making those Benjamins. And that's what it's all about. We want to grow this account. We're growing it from scratch. This is TruLife Investing. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to bring this journey to you. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button for this video. And this is Joel with TruLife Investing. You have a great day.